Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to turn off notifications on Poppo Life. Alright, so it's very easy, so let's get started. First step to take guys is to of course open your Poppo Life app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Alright, from here you just have to scroll down and select settings. Okay, now from your settings you are going to see all these options right here. Go ahead and click on new messages notification, and then what you just have to do next is to go ahead and turn off all these toggle button right here. Right, so once all these are turned off, it simply means you've successfully turned off your notification on Poppo Life. Right, so this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this.